Hi Hackster, my name is Andrei and I want to demonstrate my Alexa integrated Arduino project. I called it Debble to make the voice interaction easier. The 3D printing result looks not super great, but the device works like it must. Now I'll try to turn it on. Alexa, turn on Debble. Now the device making some fog. I hope you can see it on a camera. Alexa, turn off Debble.
Okay.
And now it turned off. Alexa, set Debble backlight to red.
Okay.
I'll turn off the lights so you can see the backlight. Alexa, set Debble backlight to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, dim Debble backlight to 50%.
Sorry, I didn't find dim backlight.
Oh, sorry, I dialed wrong name. Alexa, set Debble backlight to 50%.
Okay.
Yeah, now you can see that it dimmed to 50%. Alexa, turn off Debble backlight.
Okay.
Alexa, set Debble backlight to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, set Debble backlight to warm light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Debble.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.